Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about the top two stocks that y'all should be keeping in your watch list for today. We're also gonna talk about some of you guys' stocks of interest. For those of y'all who dropped those in the comment section of last night's video. All right, it's currently we got 30 minutes to go till the market opens. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and also um, don't forget to click on that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on daily uploads. Let's get started. Right now we got the SPY is dipping a little bit, a little bit. After going up to these highs, it's almost at 4,800. I think that it's going to actually breach it. Worst case scenario, we just consolidate in that range, like at 47.90 and 47.76. We just chill over here before we move higher. Maybe in the afternoon. The move might happen in the afternoon. If not, then tomorrow morning. My thoughts and opinions are not changing. I'm still bullish on the market. Today might be a good day. Now, the first stock that all of you should be keeping in your watch list, that stock is behaving really well right now. It's behaving well for now. And the stock is Zillow. All right, we gotta talk about Zillow again because Zillow is doing what I told y'all it would do last night. It's opening up higher, which is what we want to see. All right, we want to see this thing play out well. The pattern is clean. A move up to $65 in the next 30 minutes would be nice, and then followed by just a massive influx of buyers coming in. And yeah, watch this one for a move up to the 70s very, very soon. Disclaimer and warning. Warning. If this thing starts going below $63, then the pattern is worthless. All right. You gotta like adapt and change perspective, and you may want to look for another opportunity that is clean, the next clean thing. But right now it's behaving well and I like it. So it's good to touch on this one again for this morning. Now the next one that we have to address, that stock reported killer numbers, I believe on Sunday at like noon. That stock is Tesla. All right, we have to address Tesla. It's been a while since we've talked about it. Number one, there is this big flag on the chart, right? It's very clean. Honestly, it's really, really, really clean. The numbers that they put out, they just crushed delivery expectations. And right now, it's about to open at 11:30. Worst case scenario, which I think, no, best case scenario actually. The best case scenario would be for this one to actually drop all the way down to 1100. Maybe within the first hour. Maybe within the first hour, we drop back down to like 1100 and we test that level right there. Consolidate on Tuesday and then run on Wednesday. All right. Don't be too quick to chase these highs over here because obviously there will be I expect some profit taken at the open. So it's definitely worth watching. The price target for it eventually, not today though. I think eventually it's going to get to $1,200 I would say by the end of the week. $1,200, which is right over here. Probably by exactly like Thursday, I think. Yeah, by like Thursday, we should see the price over here on that specific day at that time. So definitely not bearish on Tesla. The structure is good. You want to be precise with your entries. You want to time this right because the contracts are very aggressive with Tesla. All right. So if you want a nice smooth trade, make sure you time your entry appropriately and apply some patience and give yourself some time. Now, let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest first. The first one that we're gonna talk about in this video, we're gonna talk about Sophie. All right, now what's going on with this stock? Let's look at the daily. Okay, there is a massive triple bottom on here. Well, there's the left right here, and then there is the middle right here, right? And then it's all pretty much at the floor. It's all at that $15 level. That $15 level is where long-term investors like really really step up to the plate because they just keep buying it. This is at a tremendous discount, and there is, I believe, this is 60% upside, 50% upside. This is not bad for long-term investors who like to buy stock. Okay, long-term investors who like to buy stock and accumulate stock. If you want to buy leaps, sure, go ahead. And like for again, if you like the company, if you believe in the fundamentals and everything is good, and you want to buy leaps, I wouldn't be against it. But for like for the short term, it's not looking too bad. I think there'll be a flag. Like I think there's more consolidation for about like 2 to 3 days, and then this thing is gonna start running on like Tuesday afternoon or Wednesday morning. I'm not bearish on Sophie. Very, very cheap. Also, the contracts are cheap as well. So this is definitely something to watch for later. The next one that we're going to address is another EV company that produce phenomenal numbers, crushed expectations with their delivery, and that stock is Neo. I talked about Neo yesterday. I told y'all to watch Neo for a consolidation and for a pump on Tuesday. Well, the pump is happening today. It's premature. I think it's gonna go all the way up to $35. I think that move actually might happen today. So this is something that you want to keep on your watch list for a potential day trade. Yeah, I think it might be a good one. Again, be very patient and time your entries appropriately. I thought it would just consolidate over here. I didn't think it would actually get out of the red box. It's kind of, I guess it's good and bad. I guess it's just good. If you've been buying calls and just waiting, yeah, it's just good. But right now, again, it might be a just steady climb all the way up to $35. Just like XPEV also, I told y'all XPEV. Yeah, XPEV is already at $52 and it's on its way to $55 very soon. Somebody asked about another stock, ASAN. All right, now in regards to ASAN, let me just remove that thing. Oh, this is looking nice. It's looking nice, but it's not ready yet. Long-term investors, obviously, if you like it, this is at a tremendous discount. I'm pretty sure you're already buying this before I'm even talking about it, right? You're buying these lows. I know you are. Now, in regards to day traders, there is something on here that I literally just noticed. Just watch for that pop. It's gonna pop eventually. It will. And when it does, I'll be ready to trade it. Just watch for it. More consolidation for sure. And then a pop eventually. This is a good one to keep on your watches. I don't think it's gonna do a major move today though. I don't think so. So that's my very honest opinion on that stock. The next one that we're going to address, that one is PLTR. And PLTR is kind of disappointing. Especially if you're buying and you're holding long. It's not moving much. But there was some news about them being involved in crypto. Like there was some headlines about this being some game changer. So hey, is it going to move up eventually? When is it going to get there? I don't know when it's going to get up to the $20-$30 level. I just know that it's consolidating right now and the volume is low and there is no action on here. The opportunity is slim, and the only people who are making money from this consolidation, like throughout the past, I would say throughout the past month, are people who sold the iron condors and they're just holding and just collecting premium on this thing. So I would just say wait, especially if you're an option trader. Wait for some structure, wait for some volume. If you're a long-term investor, every time it dips into the red, obviously you want to be buying stock at these lows. So that's my thoughts on that one. The last stock, which I actually wanted to cover yesterday but ran out of time, is Amazon. All right, now a lot of y'all have been asking about Amazon. Now for Amazon, you gotta get this one right because the contracts are ridiculous. So if you have a small account and you want to trade Amazon, you have to be so timely and so precise with this thing, because if it doesn't move, you're gonna get crushed. Like, theta is super aggressive on the contracts, even especially the short-term contracts. Where is it gonna go next? I think it bounces. I think this is a low. I think it's gonna go up to like 34.50 very soon. I don't think we're gonna drop below 33. I don't think we're gonna get below this level right there. So this is something that you want to watch for a long. And that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot and it allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are brand new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on daily uploads. If you'd like to be part of a private Discord community, you can find that as the very first link in the description of the video below. Also, if you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Ngumah and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market in the year of 2022, I've left some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get set up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 right after you sign up with Webull using the third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ngumah with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video. All right.